Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another topic under environmental studies and environmental laws. Today's topic is powers of central government under Environment Protection Act 1986. The list of topics covered here are introduction, important provisions of the act, powers of central government. The Environment Protection Act was enacted in the year 1986. It was enacted with the main objective to provide the protection and improvement of the environment and for matters connected therewith. Section 3 provides that power of central government to take measures to protect and improve environment. Section 10 of Environment Protection Act defines powers of entry and inspection. Section 11 of the Act defines power to take samples and procedures to be followed in connection therewith, and Section 12 deals with environmental laboratories. First of all, let's start with the power of central government. The power of central government to take measures to protect and improve environment. According to the provision of the Act, the central government shall have the power to take all such measures as it deems necessary or expedient for the purpose of protecting and improving the quality of the environment and preventing, controlling, and abating environmental pollution. Such measures may include measures with respect to all or any of the following matters, such as coordination of actions by the state government, officers, and other authorities. First, under this Act and rules made under thereunder and under any other law for the time being in force which is relatable to the object of this Act. Planning and execution of nationwide program for prevention, control, and abatement of environmental pollution, laying down standards for the quality of the environment in its various aspects. Another one is matter related here are is laying down standards for emission or discharge of environmental pollutants from various sources whatsoever, provided that different standards for emission or discharge may be laid down under this clause from different sources having regard to the quality or composition of the emission or discharge of environmental pollutants from such sources. Restrictions of areas in which any industries, operations, or processes or class of industries, operations, or processes shall not be carried out or shall be carried out subject to certain safeguards. Laying down procedures and safeguards for handling of hazardous substances. Laying down procedures and safeguards for the prevention of accidents which may cause environmental pollution and remedial measures for such accidents. Examination of such manufacturing processes, materials and substances as which are likely to cause environmental pollutions. Carrying out and sponsoring investigations and research relating to problems of environmental pollution. Inspection of any premises, plant, equipment, machinery, manufacturing or other processes, materials or substances, and giving such orders, by orders, such directions to such authorities, officers or persons as it may consider necessary to take steps for the prevention, control and abatement of environmental pollution. Central government has power for the establishment or recognition of environmental laboratories and institutes to carry out the functions entrusted to such environmental laboratories and institutes under this Act. Collection and dissemination of information in respect of matters relating to environmental pollution is the another power of central government. Preparation of manuals, codes, or guides relating to the prevention, control, and abatement of environmental pollution, and such other matters as the central government deems necessary or expedient for the purpose of securing the effective implementation of the provision of this Act. The central government may, if it considers it necessary or expedient, so to do for the purpose of this Act, by order published in the official gazette, constitute an authority or authorities by such name or names as may be specified in the order for the purpose of exercising and performing such of the powers and functions, including the power to issue directions under Section 5 of the Act, and for taking measures with respect to such of the matters referred to in subsection 2 as may be mentioned in the order, and subject to the supervision and control of the central government, and the provision of such order. Such authority or authorities may exercise any powers or perform the functions or to take the measures so mentioned in the order as if such authority or authorities had been empowered by this Act to exercise those powers or perform those functions or take such measures